Hi! Come watch.
Hold it steady. Make it strong.
We have strict orders. I know exactly what to do. Father, give me strength. Keep your head down.
Move into position. Do not let anyone escape.
This bread is fresh. Please, sit down, everyone. Take this bread. Thank you, Master. This is my body. We are listening carefully. Take it and eat. We share this meal together. Drink from it, all of you. Pass the cup to the others. What is wrong? He looks very troubled today. The truth is very hard. Please tell us, Master. One of you will betray me soon. That is completely impossible. Is it me, Lord? Who would do such a terrible thing? I need to go now. Why are you leaving so suddenly? I have urgent business to do. Do what you must do quickly. I will never leave you behind. Are you completely sure about that? You will definitely deny me. Never, Lord. I swear it. Before the rooster crows, you will deny me 3 times. I am ready to die for you. I will not fail you in the end. We all stand with you, Master. Stay here and keep watch. We will wait for you right here. My soul is heavy with deep sorrow. Why is he crying so much? Father, if it is possible, take this bitter cup away from me. But not what I want. Only what you want.
The pain is very near now. I will face it alone.
Your will be done completely. I am ready now.
The hour has finally come. They are here for me. I am so incredibly tired. I cannot keep my eyes open. Could you not stay awake? Even for just 1 hour? Sleep now, my friends. Take your final rest. There he is. Just follow me closely. Greetings to you, Rabbi. Friend, why are you here tonight? I have missed you. Do you betray me with a kiss? Grab him right now! Do not let him move an inch! Get back from him! I will protect him!
Stop this right now. I want no more violence.
Let me heal you. What are you doing to me? Put your sword away, friend. Those who use the sword will die by it.
I am the one you want. Let these other men go free. Tie his hands very tight. Bring him to the High Council now.
Move forward, prisoner! Keep the angry crowd back.
Speak up and defend yourself.
You can!
Tell us the absolute truth.
You must answer the heavy charges. He completely refuses to speak, sir.
Are you ignoring me? I have the power to free you.
Are you the true Son of God? Tell us right now.
You have said so yourself. It is entirely true. I am the one. You will definitely see.
This is terrible blasphemy! He is completely guilty.
The crowd is very angry. They really want him dead today.
What should I do with him then? They say you must crucify him. Bring out the other criminal. Move quickly, dirty prisoner. You are totally free to go. I simply cannot believe it. Now you will take his place. Take off his nice cloak now. Tie him tightly to the pillar. You will pay for your crimes. Take this, you fake king. You must learn your lesson. Feel the harsh punishment.
I accept this pain. Father, give me grace to endure.
Wear this with pure pride. It fits you perfectly.
Hail the King of the Jews! We worship your majesty.
You do not understand the truth. I forgive your ignorance.
Bring out the heavy wooden cross. Clear the street right now. Carry it to the hill. I will carry this weight. Keep moving forward. Do not stop walking. My strength is completely gone. Get up from the dirt. You are not finished yet. Stand up and walk. He is too weak to walk. He will die before we arrive. You there, come here. Carry this heavy wood for him. This is incredibly heavy. Thank you for your kindness. Just stay close to me. I will walk beside you.
They are destroying an innocent man. This is entirely unfair.
He tried to tell them.
Oh, my dear Lord.
Listen to me carefully now. Do not cry for me. Cry for yourselves and your children.
Keep moving up the hill. We are almost there.
The sky looks very strange today. Focus on your duty right now.
Drop the wood right there. Now get out of here quickly.
Lie down on the beam. I am perfectly ready.
Hold it completely still! Make it secure! Pull the ropes together. Heave it up now! It is locked in place! He is not going anywhere! You saved many other people! Now save yourself and come down!
Do you not fear God at all? He has done absolutely nothing wrong.
Lord, please remember me. Remember me in your glorious kingdom.
I want this fine piece of clothing. Just roll the dice quickly.
We must stay together now.
I cannot watch this anymore.
They look so very lost. They need my grace.
Father, please forgive them all. They really do not know what they are doing.
Why is the sky turning black?
Father, into your hands. I give my spirit now. It is finished. The work is fully completed.
He is actually dead. The earth is shaking heavily. What is that terrible noise? The entire building is shaking.
The holy curtain is torn apart!
The barrier is totally gone. We must leave right away! I will definitely stay right here.
I have seen many deaths, but never anything like this.
This man was completely innocent. He truly was the Son of God.
He rests in peace finally.
We must leave before dark.
Make sure it is tightly closed. Nobody will ever open this.
The night was very long and quiet. Nothing happened at all.
How will we roll the heavy stone?
We must try our best to push it.
Look at the entrance. The heavy stone is moved away. Who opened the tomb today?
I am afraid to look inside.
His body is completely gone.
They took our Lord away.
Why look for the living among the dead? He is not here. He is risen.
Woman, why are you crying? Who are you looking for here?
Sir, if you carried him away, please tell me where he is.
Mary.
My teacher? It is really you. You are alive again.
Do not hold on to me yet. Go and tell my brothers.
They thought the story was over.
But the greatest story starts right here.
Bye-bye.
We'll keep sharing simple and meaningful stories to help you learn English Bible step by step. Like and subscribe and see you next time.